A serene stone path winds through manicured hedges and white daffodils. Tall trees cast soft shadows over the lawn, leading the eye toward a charming two-story white home nestled in. Irregular gray stones form a gentle path through lush landscaping. White hydrangeas and red maples accent the brick exterior, creating a sophisticated and peaceful garden entrance. This minimalist exterior features a concrete walk flanked by illuminated planters. Cacti and succulents glow under LED strips, highlighting the clean lines of the modern glass entry. Gravel paths curve toward a striking black modern home. Vibrant shrubs and a dark red tree provide bold contrast, while elegant outdoor lighting enhances the property's curb appeal. Neat hedges and colorful lavender border a winding stone walk. This peaceful scene harmonizes a classic white house with nature, offering a picturesque view of the front gardens. A dark-sided modern home stands behind a vibrant floral display. Gravel paths lead past bright hydrangeas and orange blooms, all beautifully highlighted by soft architectural lights. A stone pathway curves through a landscaped yard toward a stately home. Red-leafed trees and lush hydrangeas add pops of color against the stone exterior and dark, elegant roofing. Bright sun illuminates a paved walkway set among round topiaries and red blooms. The white house with black trim serves as a perfect backdrop for this vibrant, tidy garden design. At dusk, integrated LED lights guide the way along a concrete path. White walls and dark trim contrast with sculptural succulents, creating a warm and contemporary evening welcome. Light concrete paths and raised planters define this modern entryway. Embedded lights illuminate the succulents and glass doors, showcasing a clean, sophisticated landscape design. Sunny paths wind through rows of green hedges and purple blooms. A white house peeks through the foliage, completing this organized and vibrant display of professional gardening. A classic white house with black shutters sits behind a stone walk. Vibrant beds of yellow and red flowers line the path, while a large tree shades the perfectly manicured lawn. Curved walkways lead through a tapestry of pink, yellow, and red blooms. This white home is framed by mature trees, highlighting the natural beauty of its well-maintained gardens. Small stones form a winding path past orange flowers and black light fixtures. This sunny front yard features a black metal gate and lush greenery, boosting its modern curb appeal. A gentle stone path curves past white hydrangeas and lush shrubs. In the distance, a wooden home with stone pillars emerges, perfectly integrated into the artistic garden layout.